Good morning, ninth class. Beta, today we will learn about the topic parallel lines and a transversal. Parallel lines and a transversal. Now look at this figure, bache. These two lines are parallel lines and this line is called the transversal line. I am naming these lines. This is line L, this is line M and this is line N. ठीक है. Now bete there are four types of angles. Firstly, corresponding angles. Now in this figure, firstly I'll name the angles as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it will be easy for us to represent these angles as 1, 2, 3, 4 and explain this topic. Now here corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5. ठीक है. पैरेलल साइड दे बेटे ऊपर दोनों पैरेलल साइड से ऊपर वाला एंगल ले लो या फिर दोनों पैरेलल साइड से नीचे वाला एंगल ले लो. देयर आर 4 पेयर्स ऑफ कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इन दिस फिगर. व्हाट आर दे? एंगल 1 and angle 5. I am not saying that both of these angles will be of 180 degree or anything. These corresponding angles will be equal. जो ये corresponding angles होंगे ने ये equal होंगे ने. Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. ठीक है. I am giving the pairs angle 1 and angle 5. Second pair is angle 2 and angle 7. ठीक है. They are also equal. Corresponding angles are always equal. Then third pair is angle 4 and angle 8 below the parallel line. Here also below the parallel line. Angle 4 and angle 8 and fourth pair is angle 3 and angle 6. Okay, angle 3 and angle 6. These are the corresponding angles and corresponding angles are always equal. Second type is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Now in this figure alternate interior angles, interior means अंदर वाले. ठीक है. So here there are two alternate interior angles, angle 4 and angle 7. ठीक है. Both of these angles are equal. Angle 3 and angle 5. They are also alternate interior angles and they are also equal. So pairs are angle 4 and angle 7. Second pair is angle 3 and angle 5. Now talking about the alternate exterior angles. Third type is alternate exterior. Exterior means बाहर. ठीक है. उनके वो भी बेटे इक्वल ने. Alternate exterior angles. Now look at this figure. Angle 1 and angle 6. This is alternate exterior angle. And angle 2 and angle 8. ठीक है ना. इंटीरियर वाले नहीं, हम बाहर वाले लेने हैं. बाहर वाले किहड़े ने 1, 2 and 6, 8. ठीक है. ऑपोजिट देख लेने हैं. सो एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 6 एक पेयर हो गया बेटे. सेकेंड पेयर इज एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 8. दीज आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. फोर्थ टाइप इज इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. इंटीरियर एंगल्स on the same side of transversal. But what is the property of this look, angle here angle 3 and angle 7 these are the interior angles. Firstly interior में बेटे अंदर, on the same side of transversal means this is the transversal line and on the same side means left side या फिर right side वाले, ठीक है. angle 3 and angle 7, these are the interior angles on the same side of transversal. second pair is angle 4 and angle 5. इन्हां दी की property हुंदी है बच्चे कि angle 3 plus angle 7 will always equals to 180 degree. Similarly angle 4 plus angle 5 will always be equals to 180 degree, ठीक है. So I am writing here angle 3 and angle 7 and second pair is angle 4 and angle 5. But if this topic is clear to you, then the whole exercise will be very easy for you. These fourth type of angles are also known as consecutive angles. These type is also known as consecutive angles or co-interior angles. Now let us move to example number 1. Sorry, I have to say example number 4. Now in this figure, look at this figure. If PQ is parallel to RS, it is given to us that PQ is parallel to RS, right? Further, angle MXQ, M किथे है बेटे? Here. Angle MX, it is here. Angle MXQ, this point, it is equals to 135 degree. And angle MYR, MYR, this angle is of 40 degree. It is given to us. What we have to find? Angle XMY, this angle we have to find. How we will find it? For this बच्चे we will do a construction. We will make a line AB parallel to PQ passing through M. So I am writing here example number 4. For this we will do the construction. What we have done? Draw AB parallel to PQ passing through M, ठीक है. Now बेटे PQ is parallel to RS. What is given to us? That PQ is parallel to RS. This implies if AB is parallel to PQ, then AB is also parallel to RS, ठीक है ना. Now proof जैसे कि लिखांगे बेटे, since AB is parallel to PQ by construction, ठीक है, and PQ is parallel to RS, it is given to us. Therefore AB is parallel to PQ parallel to RS. तीनों लाइन्स आपस में पैरेलल हो गई हैं, ठीक है. Now MX is acting as a transversal line between these two lines. PQ और AB जो पैरेलल लाइन्स ने उहदे विच MX की एक्ट कर रही है एज अ ट्रांसवर्सल. So I will use the fourth property here, that angle MXQ plus angle XMB, आ वाला एंगल और आ वाला एंगल दोनों मिलके कितने डिग्री दे होंगे बेटे? 180 डिग्री. रीज़न इज इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, एंगल MXQ प्लस angle XMB is equals to 180 degree. Reason, rather than writing the whole line interior angles on the same side, I will write consecutive angles, ठीक है, because I have already told you that we can say interior angles on the same side of the transversal We can write consecutive angles also. We can write co-interior angles also. So I am writing here consecutive angles. MXQ is what? 135 degree. Angle XMB, we have to find it. Now angle XMB is equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Now subtracting both of these angles, what we get? 45 degree. Okay. Now we have to find this angle, that is BMY. What is given to us? Angle MYR is 40 degree. Now beta, AB and RS are parallel lines and MY is acting as a transversal line, and this angle, as I have already told you, these are alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. It means this angle will also be a 40 degree. So let me write it. Angle MYR, angle MYR is equals to angle BMY. BMY. Reason? Alternate interior angles. Okay. So angle MYR 40 डिग्री है बेटे. जो सेकेंड चीज़ असी फाइंड करनी है एंगल BMY. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर देयरफॉर एंगल BMY इज इक्वल्स टू 40 डिग्री, क्योंकि सानू गिवन सी. ठीक है ना, बिकॉज एंगल MYR इज इक्वल्स टू 40 डिग्री. इट इज़ गिवन टू अस. Now actually what we have to find? We have to find this whole angle. So what we will do? We will add both of these angles. Therefore angle XMY, therefore angle XMY is equal to angle BMY plus angle XMB. ठीक है ना, XMB and BMY. XMB, that is 40 degree plus 45 degree. It means the center angle is 85 degree. Okay.